What's up YouTube? It's TuftGod, and today I got a special video for y'all. I got the AK-47, and what I'm gonna do is show y'all step by step from beginning to end on how I shave and carve my rugs and make them look good. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe so I can keep coming to y'all with dope content. If you got any comments, questions for all y'all new tufters out there, let me know and I'll try to answer them as best as I can. Holla. Let's get it. So these are all the tools I'm gonna use today. And this is basically how the rug looks now. And it's gonna look totally different when I get done. Make it right.
This is a really important step where you're going to basically be removing all loose fibers and loose yarn pieces from the rug so that you won't have a lot of shedding. And this is a pet tool to basically get rid of hair, but I use it for my rugs. You always want to make sure you clean your clippers and oil your clippers to make sure they cut properly. This is a step where I am adjusting my clippers to the correct height so that the rug will be one uniform height. Also, you want to make sure that the rug is laying completely flat when you're doing this so you don't end up with any gashes or any deep cuts in the rug. This is just to make everything level and make the rug look really smooth and uniform. If you look close, you'll see that I'm barely skimming off the top layer of the rug. This is a personal preference. You can set the clippers to whatever height you prefer, but I like thicker rugs, so that's why you're only seeing a small top layer being shaved off, which I will do this one more time once I'm done carving, just to level everything back out, but it's all personal preference. At this step, I decided to go ahead and put the rug on the table. It's a lot easier to carve on the table, especially when you're doing all the details in the wood grain of the stock. There's a lot of different colors and shadings, so you want to make sure you outline and carve out each color so it looks like real wood grain. At the beginning of the video, you'll see I wasn't wearing my mask for the first part of the video, but it's very important. You want to make sure you wear your mask. All the little fibers and everything that comes off of the yarn when you're shaving, it'll get in your nose and in your eyes. So wear a mask, and if you like, wear some protective equipment for your eyes.